Assalamualaikum. And hello YouTubers. Pro Tools is here. In front of me there is a 32-inch Hisense LED TV. This LED TV has a problem. This TV only emits sound and no pictures. Suspect the LED backlight problem. Let's check it. Switch on the TV. Try pressing the menu button, the sound button, but nothing happen. For backlight checks, put a flashlight very close to the screen. So, I turned off the lights and took the torch light. Flash a torch light on the TV screen. Okay. There is no signal picture written in there. This means that the LED backlight of this LED TV is broken. And here we go again. New DIY project. This is how I done it. And it's worked for me very well. Hisense brand, 32-inch, model, HMLED 32D33. There are 4 screws that fasten this LED TV stand. Remove the TV stand and place the TV down. Open all the screws around this TV. Open the bottom cover first and disconnect the TV power supply cable. Disconnect the left and right speaker cables and take out the speaker. Disconnect all connected cables. Behind this casing there is an LED TV ribbon. Be very careful with the ribbon as it is extremely fragile. Release this ribbon. Open the TV main board casing. Then remove this LED TV main board. Only one cable left on this TV. That is an LED backlight cable. Open the screw around the LED TV casing to release the LED screen. Be careful with this ribbon. This ribbon can easily damaged. Be very careful with the ribbon as it is extremely fragile. Lift the TV casing and move this TV screen to another safer location. Pry around the TV casing to release the light filter's plastic pieces inside the TV. Move out the light filters of this TV according to its arrangement. Quite badly in this TV. The white plastic parts behind of the LED are shattered. This is the backlight of this LED TV. Disconnect the LED cable and open the 3 screws for each row of the LEDs. For additional information, each of these LEDs uses 3 volts for its power. So we can test this LED by using a multimeter. Place the multimeter test pen in the correct place. Red on the positive and black on the negative. When this LED is on, this means that this LED is still okay. And this LED has no response, this LED is already burned. Each LED uses 3 volts V to lit. A row of 6 LEDs multiply 3 volt equals 18 volts. So, when a single LED burns, that 18 volts is divided into 5 LEDs. When this happens, it's overcurrent and automatically the main board will shut down all the LED lights. That is one of the reasons why there are no pictures but there is still sound on the TV. It's a good idea to change a new one instead of a single LED. I have ordered online for a 32-inch Hisense LED backlight. Plug and play only, easy DIY project today. As I told you earlier, each LED uses a power of 3 volts. One row of LEDs has 6 LEDs. 6 LEDs multiply 3 volts equals 18 volts. To test this row of LEDs, we need 18 volts. Let me share a tips, how to get this 18 volts. Using a drill battery, First measure the volts in this battery. Make sure it's not exceeding 18 volts. We do not want to exceed. Otherwise LEDs could be damaged during testing. Let's test each row of LEDs. Okay. All these LEDs are in good condition. This LED's backlight plastic are shattered already. Take measurements first. I will make a new one. Just using a white mahjong paper. Cut this mahjong paper according to the size taken earlier. Make a few holes for screws and LED cables. Cut the ends so that we can easily fold the paper. Put the LED backlight wire here. Install all LED backlights and screw them. The LED wires have been installed, and all the backlights have been plugged in. Install the diffuser white plastic according to the original order. Press around this plastic for lock the diffuser white plastic. Place the LED screen to its original place. Install the plastic lock screen and press around it. Install the main board, speaker wire and all the wire on the main board. Install the back cover of the LED TV. Install the LED TV stand. And now, we can test our DIY project today. Success! It seems that this LED TV has a problem with some bottom line. But the others are still in good condition. Congratulations! You have just changed the backlight of the LED TV. Pro2 is here. This is a project for Speed Hunter. Today, I want to share with you all how do I maximize my internet speed at home. I am using eMobile for RM38 a month. Unlimited data and unlimited call. This is the item we use. 4G antenna with satellite dish. Cable 4G antenna to my internet. Use this information at your own risk. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of any tools and equipment, or from the information contained in this video, the user must take responsibility. If you think this video helpful for you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. May the force be with you. Pro2 DIY.